Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to get a script from any video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Gemini Google and you can open this website. Now we need to upload the video here. Click on plus button and then select that video file. After that, here you can type write this video in text format. After that, press enter. Within couple of seconds it will convert this video into text format. So now if I scroll down, here you can see everything is mentioned. So this is very important for the YouTube automation. You can easily get any video script using Gemini.